And now, here's an exclusive look at our new movie, Rogue One, A Star Wars Story.
It's like the fantasy you always have as a kid. Everywhere is an amazing shot with amazing characters.
The Star Wars universe is quite human. It's got a very human base, and for that reason you can relate to it.
Ready, and action!
Your heart's beating and you're actually in this situation. You get something very genuine that you couldn't have planned.
You'll actually compose shots that if we were on a green screen set, you just wouldn't have known were available.
Pressure's so high. Like, we're making a film that's right touching my favourite movie of all time. But then if you're too respectful of it, that you daren't do anything new or different, take a risk, then what are you bringing to the table?
X-Wing!
X-Wing! Kills the attack down there! Bang!
You can't have a bad day at work when you see there are stormtroopers there.
That kid, when you were 4 years old, grew up with Star Wars figures. It's a bit like just being that kid again. You're sort of going like, "Arr, arr, arr."
May the Force be with us.